Morning, guys. Got the trailer on our way over to IKEA. I got the 5.9, very useful trailer, great for motorcycling, great for hauling. Straight sides, nice easy groove bottom, lots of tie down points. It's heavy, takes up a good chunk of your tow capacity, but it is very useful. Now I gotta go all the way to IKEA for a couple hours one way. Okay, round two. Let's get some more stuff. Dude, major score. The couch just happens to be on sale. $200 off. And the sale just started. So, yay! So the stuff in the cart and, the usual store picks we get ourselves. The recliner, we had to go and order upstairs, pay for it at the checkout. The couch, had to go order it upstairs, bring it over to this information center. Then they pull it and give us another ticket that we can check out for. Convoluted, man. I got the couch loaded, thanks to the wife. Got the dresser and 3 flat packs. We're waiting on the Utran chair. We had to go through furniture delivery, and I guess they have to pull it out of the back of the warehouse or whatever. So it should fit in this space here. Put the couch up. I got tie wraps. We'll see. Product specs are wrong on that sizing. All right, flipping the couch up home, but there's an issue. I'm not kidding. The dimensions online for this box are completely off. They say it's 33 inches on one side, and no, the shortest side is 35 and they're past 40, which means it won't even fit in the door frame if I take the door off. So I'm gonna have to haul this into the garage and unbox it and, I don't know, get it in pieces or something. Hopefully it's got quite a bit more clearance once I get it out of the box. But the couch made it. I just set it up tall, strapped everything down really well, and it worked. This will be fun. This thing's heavy as hell. Well, that took over 7 hours of today, so we're gonna try one of our local barbecue places here and see what that's all about. Hungry Harry's. We're starving. Dinner was okay. It was overpriced, and frankly, my ribs are 10 times better, but we're gonna check out our local Walmart. That was a bitch to get in. Had to completely unbox it in the garage, split open the cardboard, used huge sections of cardboard as sliders, got it in on its side. That's the top of it. And just slightly rotated it to clear another inch around the door, even though the door is huge. Still didn't make it. Yeah, 33 inches, my ass. Totally wrong dimensions on the IKEA site, completely. But got it in. There's another one coming on Wednesday, but I don't have to move that one in, but at least I can tell them exactly how to do it. Did this by myself, so it's heavy, but doable. Couch, I'm not even gonna unbox. She's taping off the living room right now. I need a shower. I am beat. Already gone 10 and a half hours today, and I don't feel like I got anything done because it was just driving in Orlando traffic. But day's almost done, so I will maybe paint tonight, maybe in the morning. I don't know, but I'm calling it a day. See you guys tomorrow.